Hi, this is Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in the big show. That's right, the big show by Keystone, and I'm in Texas, right? And what do we have here? Well, guess what? It's the brand new 22 Toyota Tundra. That's right, this truck is just coming out. It's a beautiful truck. Now, I've already seen the people with this on the road, and I've been getting calls for this truck, and people want covers for it. Well, guess what? The first cover that is available is this one here. It's called the Undercover Triad. And by the way, last time I checked, we actually have these in stock. That's right. So you can get this right away. What is the Undercover Triad? Well, it is a folding hardcover. This has some really cool features. Like, let's go over and take a good look in the finish of this, and you can see how nice it looks. It's a good looking cover. It does look very nice with this truck. Now, besides looking good, how important is, how does it work? Well, guess what? Most folding covers have a 300 or even a 400 pound capacity for weight. This is 600, that's right, 600 evenly distributed weight. That's some of the strongest covers I've seen out there. 600 pounds is a lot. It also has a 3-year manufacturer warranty. Hopefully you can hear it over the microphone. Now, of course, right now, there's a promotion going on by Truck Hero. If you purchase this and you have it professionally installed by someone like me, we double the warranty. That's right, from 3 years to 6 years, and we're not even charging you for that, which is a great feature. Now, let's go into how it works. It is a folding cover. Let's take a look here. If you notice here, it has a triple seal. Why is a triple seal better? Well, it keeps more water out, that's why. Again, you can fold it over here, fold it back here. You can drive with it open. Basically, you got these little things here, and it locks into place. So as you're driving down the road, you do not have to worry about the wind catching this. So this is a terrific setup. Again, if you got the new Toyota Tundra and you say, you know what, I need a cover, well, we got it for you. And this is terrific, and I tell you, I just love the idea. 600 pounds, I have to keep saying that. 600 pounds, that's a lot of weight. Very strong, looks good, functions good, and it really is an all-in-all terrific cover. And as you know, I am an authorized Undercover dealer, and I love Undercover. I like it for a lot of reasons. One is they make a good product. But the second thing is, they stand behind their products. I tell you, every time there might be a small warranty issue, and they're always small because generally I don't have too many problems with their covers, they always take care of me. If it's missing a part, they get it right away. I do not deal with companies that do not stand behind their product. And Undercover stands behind their product. That is why I like selling their product. Again, if you see something you like here and you say, you know what, Chris, you sold me. I love that cover. How do I get that cover? Well, I'm glad you asked. You can go to the website, which is the bottom of this video. You can call us at the store, which is the phone number at the bottom of this video. Or you can come into our store. As you know, we have a beautiful brick and mortar store, and we can do the installation for you. And if we install it for you, we give you a 1-year labor guarantee on top of the factory warranty. So all that you get. So again, if you like what you see, you know how to get it, give us a call. And if you like the video, hit that like button. We appreciate that. And subscribe to the channel. You get to see the first stuff. As you know, I'm at the show here, and this is not open to the public. I brought you in here to see all this new stuff, and you can get it. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from the big show by Keystone in Texas. Thank you.